pork, man. Chop the pork in the head.
Chop the pork in the head.
Oh, what is that though? Around this so, anyway in there.
Chop it in the head.
Chop.
Yeah, chop it. You see? See, just have him some. And the time some weapon, because if a guy is cheesy and can't tap me and get him, we just chop him and catch him.
What about the face?
Chop him and get up the uppercut. Boom, chop off his head. Bam, knock him. Get fucked.
Yeah, see that.
So I put it.
Yeah, man.
And then guess what now, this come from Kiki, Canada, and we find this not the wine.
Yeah.
I like what they say.
Yeah, man. See that.
So then we fit up. Like
Wow. So, the relationship with Rastafari and Africa now. Can you just talk about that for me a little bit?
Then they say back to work. We have to say Africa work. Then they say Africa. Or the motherland.
Or the motherland.
Yeah. So the man is Africa awaiting this crater, you know. That's how I mean, can you say I told pearly gate and the Guinea so. Everyone who are eating for the land of you know say when the time come. Because when I talk about no repatriation now because you know we're all in the ocean. We're at the bottom of the plate, at the middle of the ocean. How come we reach us? Because the earth shift, the plate move. Yeah. It's a line of cut there. And so we're on the mountain top down piece of rocks. Sooner or later everything gonna set back. So all we worry about is to live good and stay good because the time come, you don't know what can take its place. Yeah? You have to get you ready yourself and get to move this.
Get your mind and your thought and everything ready.